In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check SEO through Google Analytics, a process that should take you about 5 minutes to follow along. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that can provide valuable insights into your website's performance, and today we're focusing specifically on your SEO metrics to better understand your traffic sources. To start this process, navigate to Google Analytics by going to the Google Analytics page under Analytics Tools and Solutions for your business. If you're not familiar with Google Analytics, it's a free platform that offers useful insights and data about your website's performance and user behavior. So once you're on the page, let's get started with signing in. Go ahead and click on Sign into Analytics. If you already have your login credentials saved, this step should be straightforward. If not, ensure you log in using the account associated with your website. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics home. This is essentially your dashboard where you can access an overview of your website's key metrics. Next, you're going to want to click on the Reports tab. This section is where you'll find detailed reports on different aspects of your website's performance. Google Analytics is structured and can be pretty intuitive once you get the hang of navigating around its numerous reports. From the Reports tab, direct your attention to Acquisition. This is one of the most critical aspects when assessing SEO performance, as it helps you understand where your visitors are coming from. Click on Acquisition and then select Traffic Acquisition. The Traffic Acquisition section will provide you with a wealth of detailed information about the various channels driving traffic to your site. This includes organic search traffic, which is central to understanding your SEO performance. Pay attention to the keywords and queries that bring users to your site, as this data can help you refine your SEO strategy. As you analyze the data, take note of the percentage of visits through organic search. This will give you a sense of how effective your current SEO strategy is and can provide insights into where improvements might be needed. Always consider this data over a significant period to spot trends rather than focusing on short-term fluctuations. In summary, checking SEO on Google Analytics is a straightforward process that offers valuable insights into the performance of your site's organic reach. This process can reveal how effectively your site is attracting visitors through search engines and can guide you in optimizing your content and SEO strategies for better results. Remember, consistently monitoring these metrics and adjusting your approach based on your findings is key to mastering SEO. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials.